Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Future of AI Development, Trends and Opportunities. Imagine building tools that can learn, create, and even think. That's AI development. It's not just for rocket scientists anymore. It's a field open to curious minds like yours. Today, we'll explore the hottest trends shaping AI and discover incredible opportunities for developers. Even if you're just starting out, think of AI as a powerful new building block for your apps. And we're going to see what amazing things you can build with it. Remember when computers just followed instructions? Now, they can create. Generative AI is like giving a computer an art set or a typewriter and saying, "Make something new." Think ChatGPT writing stories or Midjourney creating images from simple text descriptions. As a developer, you're not just asking, "What is 2 plus 2?" Single quote. You're asking, "Write a poem about a friendly robot," and the AI generates it. Your role is learning how to talk to these AIs, called prompt engineering, and integrate their creative power into your apps using their APIs. Application programming interfaces, basically. A way for your program to talk to theirs. AI isn't just in giant data centers anymore. It's coming to your phone, your smart home devices, and even tiny sensors. This is Edge AI. Imagine your smart doorbell recognizing your family instantly without sending video to the cloud, or your phone translating speech live offline. As a developer, this means you can build apps that are smarter, faster, and more private by running AI directly on the user's device. You'll learn to optimize AI models to run efficiently on limited hardware, opening up a world of possibilities for truly intelligent applications right where the action is. Just like building a sturdy bridge, we need to build AI that is fair, safe, and transparent. Imagine an AI hiring tool that accidentally favors one gender over another because of biased data it learned from. That's a problem. Responsible AI means making sure our AI systems are ethical, don't discriminate, and that we can understand why they make certain decisions. For developers, this means actively thinking about data quality, testing for bias, and sometimes even explaining the AI's logic. Explainable AI. It's about being a good digital citizen and ensuring the AI you build helps everyone. You don't always need to write thousands of lines of code to build an AI feature anymore. Low-code, no-code platforms are like visual drag-and-drop toolkits for AI. Want to add image recognition to your app? Instead of deep coding, you might just drag a block, upload some examples, and it works. For developers, this is a double-edged sword. In a good way, you can rapidly prototype and deploy AI features, or you can build these very low-code tools for others. It democratizes AI, allowing more people to create intelligent solutions, and gives experienced developers the power to innovate faster. The future of AI is bright, and developers are at its heart. You could be a prompt engineer, guiding generative AIs, a machine learning engineer, training complex models, an AI integrator, embedding AI into existing software, or even a responsible AI architect, ensuring fairness. The skills you learn, problem solving, logical thinking, and coding, are perfectly suited for this evolving field. Every industry, from healthcare to entertainment, needs developers who understand AI. Think of yourself as an architect for the next generation of intelligent systems. Excited? Great! Here's how to dive in. Start with Python. It's the most popular language for AI and very beginner-friendly. Explore online courses from platforms like Coursera, edX, or even free tutorials on YouTube. Experiment with pre-built AI models using APIs, like OpenAI's ChatGPT, to see what they can do. Pick a small project, Maybe build a tiny app that summarizes text or classifies images, and just start building. The best way to learn is by doing. And the AI community is incredibly supportive. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.